In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Robinhood transfer pending. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and it will depend on what type of transfer you're referring to. So if this is a bank deposit into Robinhood, then in that instance, you may just need to go ahead and wait it out. So for ACH transfers, you're typically going to need to wait 3 to 5 business days. And when you initiated the process during like a holiday, for example, or before a weekend, it might take even longer. So again, keep that in mind because obviously business days don't count like the weekends and stuff like that. So you could honestly just have to wait a little bit more, and then you should have your money ready in your Robinhood account. Of course, you want to make sure that the bank you also have does have enough funds. If the transfer bounces, Robinhood may reverse it. And of course, make sure that your bank is still linked and verified. Now let's go ahead and talk about withdrawal from Robinhood to your bank. So if you're withdrawing money, then common reasons why it's still pending is that you recently sold stocks, ETFs, or options, and then the proceeds usually need to settle before they can be withdrawn. And if you recently deposited money, Robinhood may place a temporary hold before allowing withdrawals. So again, just keep that in mind. And also, Robinhood may temporarily hold transfers if they detect things like large or unusual transfers, a new device login especially, and if you just recently changed your password or recently added a bank account. In these cases, you'll usually receive an in-app notification or an email requesting confirmation and verification that it is actually you. And of course, they typically do send you like a text message to your phone number and stuff like that. So that is where you're able to go ahead and verify it. So obviously, you will need to go ahead and narrow things down just a little bit more so you're able to go ahead and determine what is actually causing this issue. But that is how you're able to go ahead and fix it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.